holding my teeth.
Okay. Cut. Okay. Okay, ready?
Do this. You're fucking up.
That was so hard. I didn't go down at all.
Through the bush. Oh. That was awesome.
Great, my neighbors are gonna now think I'm insane.
But that is okay.
What now? Well, I'm gonna record.
I could trip.
Cause this, I could trip. Okay, cause we're gonna put this in bloopers. This is totally gonna be in bloopers.
Okay, okay.
Practice.
Stunt doubles.
Yes, exactly. Okay, are you ready, Amanda? Ready, Amanda? Ready to do yours?
I will.
Morgan, that was just practice for you.
Wait, am I going off this side then?
I don't know.
Yes, I am.
Okay, go.
You will be jealous.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.